School 2. Welcome to School 2. School 2. Melody, poppy, my girl. She do me something. A piano, you got me wanting more. My African girl with that sweet body wine. The way you grind got me feeling alright. My African girl with that big booty wine. The way you grind got me feeling alright. Girl, you do me tinny ninny. Come make a press up your pee 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 pop 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 pop. Shawty, you do me tinny ninny. Come make a press up your pee 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 pop pop pop.
Are you guys okay? You're on the road snapping pictures. After 10? Are you not going to school? What nonsense?
Okay,
what you concern you if they snap picture now? Babe, do you know him?
Do I know him? I'm supposed to be asking you. What you concern you for our picture, sir?
You know me before. Now you they pay my school fees. Okay, no, babe, what is over? What you concern you? Now some people go just they find trouble. What you concern you for picture? What they snap now? You go just they shook mouth for what you no concern you.
And so?
After 10.
Now you they pay school fees for me. Why you go they show me time? Now you they pay my school fees. Now mind the way you tell they talk to me. Go ask of me. Now me be a barrier. Nobody will not know me. You no concern you, baby. Hold this for me.
Give me. And so?
Okay, go they respect yourself, oh. They respect yourself, oh. Not be anything where you see you go chook map, cho. Jobless person. You know, go from here, you go read newspaper like your mate. You know, before one thing, the one for they give you nothing.
Leave on.
You go to pull man for waiting no concern you.
Why I called you people here is because of your maths teacher. You can have for over 2 days now. There is no maths teacher. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So I got you a new maths teacher.
Thank you.
I promise you, in this school, you will learn in this school until you become a learner.
Yes, sir.
So the reason why I'm bringing him is because not just to teach mathematics alone, because he's very good in discipline. He's short in discipline. He's short is a disciplinarian.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
He also good not only in mathematics but with the cane. Because the reason why he left his former school, because he flogged a student to death. Huh? You know, he's a normal casualty. He's very good.
Excuse me, sir. Who did you say he flogged to death?
A student.
A
student casualty.
Hope you not come and flog us here.
That's why you must be disciplined.
Sir, what did the student do?
The exact stupid question you are asking her.
Those questions.
So I'll bring to you Mr. Reality.
You know, say that old math teacher, that one, you get.
So yes, Mr.
Man.
Jessica, why are you crying?
Thank you, Mr. Principal.
Yeah.
Didn't say they're wise.
Shut up. Action, they said, is speak louder voice. So, I don't want to speak much. You will see the action in me. Now we are having a math class. Let's go inside. Oh yeah. Also, inside. Inside the class. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Jessica, oh yeah, move. Everybody to your class.
Inside the class.
To your class.
I will finish you. Where is that man here?
Hey! Man, know thyself. You don't know yourself.
Where is that man here?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, don't worry, just take this one inside and teach.
Principal, inside the class. Yeah.
Oh my God. Our mumu know too much. How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? May God not allow them, let them kill you.
Thank you for watching this wonderful episode of School 2 Comedy. Guess
Yes,
what?
guys.
Subscribe, turn on the post notification, and don't forget, keep watching School 2 Comedy. Keep
Keep
watching!
watching School 2 Comedy.
Keep watching!
School 2 Comedy.
Thank you.